Welcome to today's lesson on basic sentence structures in English. Understanding sentence structure is key to speaking and writing correctly. First, let's look at simple sentences. These sentences have just one subject and one verb, such as, she reads books. In this sentence, she is the subject and reads is the verb. It's a complete thought. Next, let's look at compound sentences. These are made by combining two simple sentences using a conjunction like and. For example, she reads books and he watches TV. Both ideas are complete sentences on their own. Now, let's move to complex sentences. These contain one main idea and a supporting idea, like because. For example, she reads books because she loves reading. Here, because she loves reading supports the main idea. Another important structure is the interrogative sentence, which asks a question. For example, do you like coffee? They begin with a question word and end with a question mark. Finally, we have negative sentences. These express the opposite of a positive statement. For example, she does not like tea. We use not after auxiliary verbs to form negatives. Today we learned 5 basic types of sentence structures: simple, compound, complex, interrogative, and negative. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.